you can turn your ordinary cookies into different shapes and sizes. Take our cue as Chef Jackie uses Furna products to make shoe cookies. But before that, we have our friend Chef Ronald with us once again for another useful dose of information about the brand. Hi, Chef.
Hello, Sam.
We've used a number of Furna products on the show already. We've used the unflavored gelatin, the Flavocol, baking soda.
Baking powder.
Kasi ang daming products ng Furna
Yeah.
But I'm really curious about the butter oil substitute, which Chef Jackie will be using later on. Can you tell us more about this product?
Actually, Sam, a butter oil substitute. This is a deodorized, bleached, and refined beef tallow, in which the main source of butter flavor and aroma. We basically use this butter oil substitute in making breads, cookies, muffins, and cakes. For example, you have 100 grams of fresh butter in your recipe, and once you use the butter oil substitute, you will less it into 80 grams. So, makaka-less ka na doon with that. That is why most of the bakeries and bake shops are using the butter oil substitute, since they find it very good for their breads. For even cookies katulad ng gagawin ni Chef Jackie tonight. The good thing about this product also, it has a very good consistency, very spreadable. It has a 1-year shelf life. You don't have to put it in a ref, since this is very stable at room temperature.
Oh, wow. Okay, I must admit, it was my first time to hear about butter oil substitute, and I think I need to know pretty much everything I need to know about it.
Okay.
All right, and now we take you to Chef Jackie. She'll be showing us how to make shoe cookies using the butter oil substitute.
So for today, what we're going to do for Furna is the Furna shoe cookie. And ang unang ingredient na gagamitin natin ay yung Gold Coast butter oil substitute. As you can see, it's solid at room temperature, and talaga naman ang ganda ng color niya. It's golden yellow and it smells good. Okay, so we'll put it in our mixer with our sugar, just white sugar. It's 1.5 cups of white sugar and 1 cup of Gold Coast butter oil substitute. Okay, you beat it until it's light and fluffy, and then you can add 1 egg. And then these are my dry ingredients. This is 2 teaspoons Furna Primera baking powder, and then iodized salt, Furna iodized salt, and then 3 cups of all-purpose flour, all sifted. And then I have here, this is Furna Vanilla Clear. I need 1 teaspoon. And you add the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. And then you just wait until the dough comes together and you don't see any more trace of the flour, and then ready na siya. So this is called short dough, or yung mga cookie dough. Ito yung mga pang-cut out. The only difference with this dough is that we use the Gold Coast butter oil substitute, kaya mas mabango siya at mas maganda yung color niya. Okay, so just mix it until it forms a dough. Kita mo lahat nakasabit na sa paddle. And what you do is you get a piece of grease-proof paper. So this is my dough. See, buo na siya. You divide this in 2. Okay? And then you can roll out 1 dough at a time. It's nicer to work with kapag yung dough in between yung mga mixing, rolling, nire-rest ng sandali. So I have here dough that I have rested. I'll just roll it out into a nice rectangular shape in between 2 sheets of grease-proof paper para hindi kayo mahirapan mag-roll out. Kasi it's going to be a sticky cookie. And then, I have here a shoe template. You can cut out a template you can get from a coloring book. Okay, and then, oops, wait. You have to put flour on both sides. Yan. You have to dust it with flour para madali siyang ma-lift out. Okay, I wanna dust both sides. para hindi siya dumikit. It's okay to be generous kasi i-absorb naman siya nung dough. Okay. So what you need to do is to get your template. This is just a cardboard template. Cut out the shape. I'm doing a ballet slipper. Ayan. Okay? And then, dapat tabi-tabi na ng maayos kasi ang tatanggalin nyo, hindi yung slipper, kundi yung sides. Okay? Yan. And I'm going to bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for just 10 minutes. Pag nakikita nyo, pag na-bake na siya, ang color niya, mas golden, mas madilaw. Mas maganda yung color niya because you use the Gold Coast butter oil substitute. And here, I have my royal icing. This is my tip for you when you are decorating cookies like these. Okay, I have here bags that are like parehong pink, parehong puti, but one is folded this way and one is folded this way. Pag color flow siya, fold yan ng ganito. Ang tawag ko dyan, rabbit ears. Ito yung mga nagpo-flow. So, pag nakaganitong fold, yung nakapaloob, ito yung mga pang-line. So, even if I have dalawang pink, dalawang white, in the same container, at least alam ko kung alin yung pang-color flow at alin yung pang-pipe. So, now, this is my white, yung pang-pipe ko ng outline. Okay, I'm going to pipe first an outline of the shoe. Baliktad ang aking mga sapatos. Okay. So, there. So, sa ilalim ako. This is my ballet slipper. Okay. Ito yung toe. Ito yung sa the inside of the shoe. Okay. And then you let this dry. And once it's dry, you can put in your details. Okay, and for our girly party, let's just put it in a platter so I can share it with my friends, Sam, Eileen, and of course, Ronald. Okay, and now let's take this to Sam and Ronald.
Wow!
Do you like my cookies?
So am I supposed to wear that?
You can try!
Okay, aside from the
ang galing
decor,
naman.
kasi simpleng-simple lang naman yung decor, but I want you to try the cookie. So, para ma-feel mo kung ano yung, or ma-smell and ma-taste mo kung ano yung reason kung bakit tayo gumamit ng butter oil substitute ng Furna.
Basta hindi siya lasang shoe. Okay na sa akin.
Diba? You can, the grainy nung sugar, nandyan pa rin. And then,
Yung flavor and aroma ng butter oil substitute definitely nandyan pa rin.
nafe-feel mo yun?
I can't tell the difference.
Talaga?
No, I mean,
With the butter?
Yeah. It's a really delicious cookie.
That's very good.
Because yung flavor and aroma ng butter oil substitute is very heat and bake stable. That is why malinamnam pa rin yung mga cookies na ginawa ni Chef Jackie.
Sarap! Here, Chef, have one.
Ah, thank you. Kain again.
I'm gonna bring home.
Okay, sige. This is yummy. Thank you
One
so
for
much.
Kylie, one for Sabrina.
Sige na. Sarap.